Hi, KB friends. Well, I hope so. We're going to be doing a little reviewing today because we've done this activity before, but it's up on Seesaw and it's great practice. So one of the things we're going to do today is we are going to find ways to make 10. What makes 10? And so we're going to be working in a 10 frame. Do you remember that? And why is it called a 10 frame? That's right, because there are 10 spaces. There's 10 spots in here. And so what your job is going to be to do today is to make a math problem out of it that makes 10. So this answer over here is always going to be the number 10. So the way that we're going to do this, we're going to take a minute and we're going to look at our 10 frame and we're going to start by counting how many spaces are filled in the 10 frame. So I have 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 stars. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go to my first space and I'm going to write 3. And how many more is going to make it 10? So what I need to do is count my empty spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 stars plus 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 7 more, and now they're all full, so we know that that's going to equal 10. All right, so we have definitely done this before. We've done it for homework, and we've done it in the classroom. So I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but I did want to show you the screen really quick. A couple of things. On Seesaw, when you go to Seesaw, you're going to actually see this activity. And it says week 3 math, kindergarten math, what makes 10. On this, you are going to see the link. I definitely want you to listen to Jack Hartman and his song about making 10. It's really cute. It's only like 3 minutes long, and I'd like you to start by listening to what makes 10. So you're going to listen to that link first. You're going to listen to that song, and then of course you're going to add response, which means you're going to click that, and it's going to take you to the activity. So what you're going to see here, you are going to see the activities that I just showed you, the 10 frames. So you're going to figure out what are the missing numbers that complete each equation. So for example, this one, it says 2 plus how many more? So how am I going to write that answer down? Well, I'm going to click on the pen right here. And in the space, I'm going to write 2 plus how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to write the number 8. And so 2 plus 8 more does equal 10. All right? Now you're going to have to do a little bit of counting on here because you're going to fill in the missing number in the equation. So you're also going to figure out over here, 2 plus how many more equals 10. All right? So you're going to go ahead, you're going to click that pen, and you're going to write the number 8 in the space. And you're going to figure out all the answers to these. And by doing the 10 frames first, it should help you to figure out these answers here. Okay? So 7 plus how many more is going to equal 10? And this is actually the switcheroo. Okay? You'll start to notice that. All right? In some of them. So that's going to be your job for that. And let me just slide myself down. I also wanted to share with you page 2. You're always going to make sure that there's not a page 2. You need to click on the second box because some of you are doing page 1 but never completing page 2. So if you take a look at that, you're going to actually click, let's see, yeah. So if you click this, not the first pen, but the second pen, you're going to click that, and they're asking you to circle 2 numbers that make 10. So for example, the first one, they circled 5 plus 5, and that's right. When we take 5 and add 5 more, that's going to equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10, so we circle that. So what's another one? I see an easy peasy one that you guys know. 9 plus 1 more. If we count 1 more, what's that going to equal? 9 plus 1 more is going to equal 10. So you're going to circle 9 plus one more, and that's going to be 10. So you're going to look through all the numbers on that box, and you're going to circle two numbers that are together that are going to equal 10. They don't all have to go horizontal. They can also go up and down too. They could also go diagonal, all right? I don't want to give you too many answers, but I just want you to know that you could do horizontal, you can circle two numbers, just like bingo, you can go up and down, vertical, and you can also go diagonal, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and just take a minute and erase that. Okay, so that's going to be your job, to work on page 1. Yep. And figure out with the 10 frames what makes 10. You're going to write the missing equation in. And then over here, you're going to write in the missing number. And the same thing, you're going to equal 10. And some of them you can look back and figure out what these answers are going to be by what you did in the 10 frames. Okay? All right, guys. So that's going to be your job for today. What makes 10? Complete those 2 pages and you will be good to go. High five, my marvelous mathematicians, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Love you guys.